Good day everyone, my name is Celeste and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a core and leg workout combination that you can try at home. No equipments needed and is very safe for beginners. So, let's start! Number 1. Sumo Squat Hops. From hip width apart legs, hop to wide length, then squat and hop back to preset. Knees are turned out, butt to knees, chest lifted up. Repeat up to 15 reps and do it 3 to 4 sets. This targets your inner thighs and glute muscle, develops hip mobility, and good cardio. Number 2. Squat to leg lifts. Legs are hip width apart. Butt to knees, core tight, chest lifted up. Knees lifted to hip level only. It promotes balance and good posture. Number 3. Modified pistol squats. This promotes leg strength, hip mobility, and toned glutes. Stand on legs hip width apart. Step 1 foot forward. Pull your hips backward to squat. This also prepares you to do standard pistol squats. Number 4. Clap crunches. Instead of clapping, add a little weight for progression. From your sitting position, slightly lean back and tighten your core. Then, alternatively lift legs for crunch. This develops hip mobility, core strength, and good posture. Number 5. Modified reverse crunch to leg extension. Do not tuck in your knees. Knees should stop directly above hips. This focuses on your lower ab. Number 6. Kick back. You have to be careful in doing this to avoid overbending of the hips. Maintain hip stability by engaging your core. Squeezing your hips as you kick back. This also develops hip mobility and firm glutes. Alright, some reminders before we end this video. If you are a beginner and you're doing this for the first time, you should be mindful of your form and execution to promote good results. You are doing this because your body needs to adapt to the movement. So in summary, if you're executing it badly, it will only promote a bad habit. And a bad habit will only lead you to bad results. And a bad result will only give us stress. And we don't want that. So might as well do it right the first time and then progress later on. For advance, you could always add some weights. It could be dumbbells, plates, or an ankle weight. And always be mindful of your safety, okay? So I guess that's it for today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a message on the comment section. If you want to get notified, please hit the bell button and subscribe to my channel. If this video helps you and inspires you, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and your family. Best if you try this at home with your family, loved ones, and friends. Again, thank you for watching. Keep safe and God bless.
Fearless.